In this guide, I'll show you how to add funds to your wallet on PS4 so you can make purchases in the PlayStation Store. So the first thing you want to do is scroll up and select Settings on the right. Then we're going to select Account Management and Account Information. And once it loads, what we're going to do is scroll down and we're going to select Wallet. Now once you're in this section, you want to scroll down to the second option, Add Funds to your Wallet. And this is going to bring up a bunch of different payment methods, as well as a place where you can redeem codes and gift cards. So let's say you added a credit card or debit card by inputting your information. It would appear in this section here, and you'd be able to select it and add funds to your wallet. Now, since I'm going to be using a code from a gift card, I'm going to select this option, and I'm going to input the 12-digit voucher code. So once you've inputted the 12-digit voucher code, you want to press R2 on your controller and press Continue. And then after a few seconds, it'll show you what the code amounts to in value, and if you want to add the funds to your wallet. So I'm going to press yes and give it a few seconds. And now it'll ask you if you want to add another code. And if you take a look to the left, you'll be able to see your new wallet balance. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.